Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the settings right now because that's where automatic updates live. On iPhone, tap App Store. On Android, open the Play Store app and tap your profile. Make sure you're signed into the account that manages updates. Once done, pause other downloads and connect to Wi-Fi if needed. That prevents background changes while you change settings. You'll move directly to update controls next, so keep this screen visible and follow the platform-specific steps I'll describe. You're now turning the actual switches off. On iPhone, find automatic updates in App Store settings and toggle it off. Also disable app updates under iCloud settings if present. On Android, open Play Store, go to Settings, right arrow Network Preferences, right arrow Auto Update Apps, and select Don't Auto Update Apps. Make sure background app refresh and mobile data access for app downloads are off too. That prevents updates over cellular. Once finished, exit and watch for a confirmation. Finish smartly by restarting your device so the new settings fully apply. This avoids surprise updates. After reboot, open the store to confirm auto update toggles are still off, then update apps manually when you choose. If settings revert or you see automatic downloads, sign out of your store account and sign back in. That often resets policy glitches. As a last resort, update your device OS or clear the Play Store cache. Those steps resolve stubborn behavior and restore predictable update control.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.